Hey, welcome to the first video of Learn Flutter course series. So in this video, we're gonna talk about motive behind Flutter and Dart. So why do we even bother to learn Flutter and Dart? So let's take a very small example of Chintu. Chintu wants to make an app for Android and iOS both. So if he wants to develop it for Android, he needs to learn Java, Kotlin, and for iOS, he needs to learn Objective-C, Swift, and many couple of the things. So this is what we call native development. Now the problem with that is that now we have two code bases. Now you can see that this approach, although is legitimate, in fact that's what a lot of agencies do. But this isn't really a good practice. Okay, I'm not saying that it is impossible, but I will tell you that it takes lot of time for you to really be good at both of them. So, in view of this problem, Google introduced Flutter in 2017. Now, what is Flutter? Flutter is an open source SDK to develop cross-platform applications which are maintained by Google. Flutter apps are written in Dart language. Flutter is a complete package of framework which provides UI rendering, widgets, state management, hardware APIs, navigation, testing, and many more. Now question arises, how Flutter is helping us? Flutter helps with developer productivity while maintaining projects with low development cost. And it provides single code base. We have to build once and we can deploy it everywhere like Android, iOS, web, and desktop. Flutter widgets library make it easier to provide seamless look and feel on multiple platforms. And it really great for custom designs. So my friends, that is the power that we are giving here by using Flutter. And of course, you will see that we are start digging into Flutter and Dart in the next video. In fact, the Flutter part of the things is gonna be later after we learned about the Dart language, and which is a programming language used in Flutter framework to build Android and iOS applications. So guys, see you in the next video.